Welcome back, guys. So right now let's talk about a new style. So I'm going to start this, which says classical and drawn animation. So let's see what this style is all about. Like I've said, you should have a keyword, and this current keyword now is classical and drawn animation. So let's have that right now. So we're going to have the classical and drawn animation. So let's have the prompt right now. Like I said, it's just the same process. I want to create a classical hand drawn animation character. The character stays consistent with a core character block. The scenario and attire changes across four scenes. So let's see. This is a very simple prompt, different from the one I did earlier. So I'm going to use my Pro, of course. I'm going to use Pro, and I'm going to have this sent right now. So I'm going to send this right now. So we have these prompts being gathered, and all we have to do is to start using it. So let's see what the results would be like. Basically, since we've been doing this, we're going to see what the results would look like right now. So here we have the response being generated. So we have creating a consistent character across multiple scenes is a great approach for your AI animation project. So let's see. So here is the plan to get this done. First, we need to generate the base design. Let us use name Kwame for our character placeholder. Yeah, so let's see. So I would say I need a prompt. I need prompts. I need prompts for this. So basically, so let's see the prompt right there, because this is now giving us hallucinations, but we can actually solve that. Just tell it straight up what you need. So I need prompts for this, not these explanations. It's doing a lot of explanation right now. So let's go directly into needing prompts for this. So here we have base character sheets. So instead of core character or character block, now is base character sheet. So we have the base character sheet and we have the scenario. So from the base character sheet, you could see the scenarios too are being drawn into the prompts. So for instance, we have classical 2D and drawn animation style right here. Same here, a young African man, the exact same young African man with short, neat dreadlocks. Okay, one brown screen. So let's see what we have right now. So this is the base character sheet, of course. The base character sheet is right here. So let's have what the base character sheet looks like. So let's see what the character looks like basically at the base point. So here we are generating that. So let's have the base character sheet right here. So if I were you, I could actually have these right now. So let's see. So let's try this directly without having to use the base character sheet, and let's see if it looks consistent. So the base character sheet has like different, okay, so it defines different like aspects of the character. So that's why we're having these different types, and you could see but the hair looks the same. So what I will do now is just to copy the prompt right now, and let's see what the results will be. So copying this prompt right now. So this is a classical hand drawn 2D animation. So let's see what the results would be like. So this is me trying to do the classical 2D animation. So here we are. So you could see this actually looks good. Oh yeah, this looks good. So is a classical 2D hand drawn animation style, which looks neat by the way, to be honest. There we are. So we have this and they all look good, so we can have them downloaded. So here we have this. So let's see another scene. So let's use this so we can see if that stays consistent. So let's use this as well. So let's have the new scene. So let's see what this looks like. So that's the second prompt, and this is the third prompt, of course. So let's see. This is the second prompt. Okay, does this look the same? Yes, it does. So let's have this as well. So let's have this. Okay, so let's have that. So let's have another one like this. So let's have another character. So let's see what we have. then we have the last part of this. So yes, would you like me to go ahead and generate the base character sheet right now so we can lock in his exact look? So let's see. Okay, so we have I have my like reservation. It seems some of the this thing doesn't look consistent, but then let's have the fourth one. So let's have the fourth one right now. So what I would have done is, yes, I would have loved to go ahead with this. So let's say yes, let's go ahead with that and let's see what the results would be right now. So sometimes you get problems like this. All you have to do is to find a way to solve them. So I would have say, okay, so we have these, and okay, so let's see if the exact looks were locked. So let's see from the very first one, which is this. Okay, let me start from this right now. Let me start from this. No, let me start from this. So this is the first, right? Okay, this is the first. Actually, the character looks the same. This is the first right now. Okay, okay. Let me just go back. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, look at this and look at this. Okay, I think they look the same. I think it's the same person. Yeah. Oh, it's the same. It looks consistent. Yeah. So perfect. So we don't even need to do too much. This is perfected already. And that is how we go about creating a consistent character. And that way we just did for classical hand drawn animation character design. So you could use that as well in your projects. Just take what suits you. We've spoken about different types of character sets. So these are other character style of animation that you could use. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.